In search of the best firewall to secure your personal or commercial network? In this video, we pit against each other two of the greatest open source players in the cybersecurity market, OPNsense and pfSense. So, let's get started. Both products deliver state of the art capabilities of powerful firewalls running on free BSD and offering full enterprise class security at no charge. OPNsense is one of the newer solutions which offers a highly advanced and easy to use interface with a sidebar menu where all the options can be quickly found and accessed through the quick search function. Updates for this firewall occur twice a week and are always free of charge. OPNsense is completely open source and protected by the 2-class BSD license. The veteran pfSense solutions comes into two flavors: Community Edition, which is open source, and pfSense Plus, which is proprietary. It is extremely stable, well documented, and battle hardened, thus making it the ideal choice when it comes to legacy installations or a more conservative approach in software updates. Even though the GUI may look a bit old fashioned with its top bar menu, it provides all the same performance, routing at the highest speed, close to the line rate on decent hardware, and TNSR high speed networking for certain enterprise configurations. So, which one is better? The answer is OPNsense most of the time in 2026 due to a modern GUI, transparency of the development process, and out of the box feature set. It is absolutely suitable for people who value flexibility, future proof approach, and maintenance. If, however, an administrator values stability over other things, prefers Netgate specific hardware, or is used to pfSense workflow, then it can still be a great choice. However, the performance on similar hardware is essentially identical in both cases, and therefore, you can choose whichever one seems easier for you based on the user interface and rate of updates. Try both out using a virtual machine and determine which UI is best for you. Please tell us what firewall you use in the comment section below and stay tuned for further tips.